You ever feel like health insurance makes zero sense? You're sick of getting burned by confusing deductibles and coinsurance? And be honest, do you believe that just because you have insurance, it should cover everything? Let's break this down in plain English. And at the end, I'm going to share an amazing option I didn't even know existed until a few years ago. A lot of people ask me, what's the best insurance company to get? Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Cigna? Now, here's a simple breakdown. There are two main categories. You have HMO and PPO. HMO means you have to see providers inside their network. It's extremely restrictive. If you go outside their network, you're just not covered. The provider only gets paid if the insurance company approves it, sometimes even before you get care and sometimes after. And if they decide not to approve it, you pay the entire bill yourself. The upside, HMOs usually have lower monthly premiums and predictable costs, but you're going to sacrifice freedom of choice and flexibility. PPO gives you more flexibility. Now there are two options within a PPO. You got the in-network and out-of-network. Out-of-network is like being a free agent for the provider. The provider is going to accept your insurance, but isn't contracted with your plan. If your PPO has no out-of-network benefits, you pay cash. A lot of people don't realize PPO plans split into in-network and out-of-network options. At my office, we accept PPO insurance out-of-network only. We do not accept HMOs. We do not participate in network because it's too bureaucratic and restrictive. So you need out-of-network chiropractic benefits if you want reimbursement in my office. All right, so now let's talk about your deductible. Your deductible is what you pay before your insurance benefits actually kick in. For example, if you have a $500 deductible, you pay the first $500 before insurance covers anything. Sometimes things like exams or x-rays might bypass the deductible, but oftentimes they still count towards it. Bottom line, no coverage until you meet that deductible. Then there's the percent coverage. Say your visit is $100. Insurance says they're going to cover 50%. That's $50. But you have something called a co-insurance. But co-insurance is different from a copay. If your co-insurance is 50%, you basically help the insurance company pay their portion. So they pay $50 and you help with half of that, which is $25. That means insurance pays $25 and you pay $75. Then comes the allowable charge. That's the maximum your insurance company agrees to pay for a service. If your provider charges $100, but the allowable is $80, they apply coverage to $80, not $100. So if they cover 50%, that's $40. Then coinsurance might apply again, and you end up with a bigger out-of-pocket share. There's going to be one more twist with many Blue Cross, Blue Shield, or Cigna plans. There's a third-party review administrator called American Specialty Health Network. After 5 visits, they step in to decide if your care is medically necessary. If they say no, you pay out of pocket, even if your plan says you have more visits available. So here's the bottom line at our practice. We're out of network. We accept PPOs with out-of-network benefits. We do not accept HMOs. We're going to help you verify your benefits so you know exactly what's covered. All right, let's shift gears. The next best solution I've found isn't even traditional insurance. It's a health share. What's a health share? It's not health insurance. It's a community of people who share each other's medical costs. There are no networks, no pre-approvals, no authorizations. You pay your provider directly, submit the super bill, and get reimbursed, usually in full. My family personally uses Crowd Health, and I love it. They cover things traditional insurance barely touches. Home birth, midwives, doulas, chiropractic, acupuncture, other alternative types of care, if you will. Plus, they're going to cover the basics of regular medical care. There's no insurance runaround. There's no third-party approvals. to slow things down. You work directly with your provider, submit the bill, and the health share organizes the payment. It's simple, community-driven, and works beautifully for people living in a holistic, vitalistic lifestyle. So if you're ready to break free from the insurance maze, I got a great link for you. Click on the link below to check out Crowd Health. It might be exactly what you've been searching for. And when you sign up, tell them that I sent you. So stay aligned, stay connected, and stay powerful.